Perfect Diary Chinese New Year as well as Valentine's gift box. Firstly, have a look at the box itself. It's very great design. It's very cute. It has like love, heart shape in the middle. It's so romantic feel. I do believe if you receive it as a Valentine's gift, you will like, oh, you will have this sound. Believe me. And when you open, oh, look! It's a lovely, very cute rabbit eyeshadow palette. And you also have a lovely setting powder come with it. And there are 4 business card lipstick. 2 are matte finish and the other 2 are glossy stain finish. Personally feel it's a very, very good value for money. It's really good. And today, quickly to show you guys a very, very simple, easy achievable, romantic makeup which is suitable for multiple occasions like Christmas, Chinese New Year or Valentine's. Let's start from the powder. This powder, the design itself is a special Valentine's Chinese New Year design. It's very, very cute. Cute and romantic are the keywords for this collection. The cover itself is like a little bit frosted on top, very, very elegant gold surrounded. And the powder itself, I think I don't need to say. Wingards has highly rated this powder. If you look at the powder, it has a special smart lock technology contained in here. The oil control, the grinding technique, and the powder itself is excellent. When you see the color itself, it's like a blue combined with green. Although it's a translucent powder, it does gently, naturally brighten up your skin as well as prevent your foundation or anything else gets oxidized. Oh well, if you don't believe me, you got to believe Wayne. He's the god of makeup, as far as I'm concerned. Let me show you guys. I purposely toned down the lights a little bit so you can actually see better. Okay, let's see this area, yeah? Can you see the filter effect compared to this side? There is no cakiness when you touch it, just like baby's skin. And also you compare this to, it's gently brightened up compared to this side, but it doesn't look green, doesn't look gray, neither look blue. It just very, very natural lighten up. One of the key reasons I love this gift box is because of the eyeshadow palettes. There are 12 colors in this palette as well as come with a double-headed brush. By the way, the brush is really good. It's not one of those, you know what I mean. The powder quality is really good. For all the matte colors, they are very fine grinding, and for the shimmer colors, it's very soft like mashed potato. Very, very good pigmentation. It's medium to high pigment. What I like the most is actually the color combination, because often with those colorful palettes, myself would feel difficult to get your eye look or to layering the colorful eyeshadows. This one has very, very good color designs. Let me use this on the eyes and explain. Firstly, going to use the color, this one called 小确幸. A little recommendation to Perfect Diary that if you could name each colors in letters or numbers, that would be even more helpful for all of us. But it's this lovely base color called 小确幸. It's a nude color, have gently little bit of gray and brown in there, and it's not fully matte. It's like a satin finish. Firstly, do a stripe off here. Second one, do from the front of your brow towards your eyebrow. Like that. Then blend. Zigzag. Then blend towards end of the brow. Give you a very natural shade. Oh, by the way, in that eyeshadow palettes, they have a barcode, this one, which you can scan, and then we'll also show you guys how to do 4 different eye looks by using this palette. Very handy. Same color for the under eye area. Do extend it further, as today's eye look is more focused in here. And then use the darkest color, dark brown, to do our eyebrows. Is to use this color to fill up the gap. And when there is like almost no powders on the brush, and then gently smudge the front of your eyebrow. So it's darkest color over here and a lighter color at the front. For the gap, don't worry, use the brow pencil. When you use the eyeshadow powder from the palettes on the brows, it will help to make the finishing look all in one. Then we're going to use the second base color, another pretty one, to start from the bottom lid. Tap first, like that, then smudge. Just let it gently disappear itself. When there is like almost no colors left on the brush, then sweep towards the front. You know, the fake eye bag, you squeeze a little bit, then add a little bit darker color over here. And use this color only gently sweep upwards, not to show too much. It only on the out corner. And then sweep out, connect this two, and sweep out. Then use a small brush, dip into the lovely red color, and this has like the print of a rabbit. This one. Focus at your bottom lash and very close to your lash line. Again, tap first, yeah, and smudge. Once you get the color on, use a fluffy brush to help blend. Then sweep towards the front. And then let's do the eyeliner first. Then dip into this one. Only smudge at the out corner, just above your wing, like that. Use a flat brush like that. Dip into the darkest color, and then only to darken the line, one line of your wing, like that, and leave it. Don't smudge. So what you see on this side is layering from lighter to dark. The small little thing shows difference, shows the details of your makeup. And you see, this side I've done it, this eye, and this side I haven't. Can you see the details difference? And then dip into this lovely sparkle. Look. So pretty. To draw a shimmer line just by following your own eye shape. Start from the inner corner. Can you see? And extend a little bit to the point of your inner corner like that. Then apply a little bit over here. Then dip into this more purpley pink shimmer color. Follow the same shimmer line but only towards half of the line. So from the inner corner. This little touch will make a difference when you see yourself in the evening, with spotlighting especially. So it will help when you go for dinner, your eyes look bling. And just add a little bit of sparkle on top of your fake eye bag. When we finish the lashes, your eye look can stop now. It's still very pretty, isn't it? But if you want to enhance the makeup even further, we can add few details more. Firstly, using a fluffy brush, dip into these two colors. Very light-handed, yeah? Then add the color at the front of your eyebrow. Can tap first. It doesn't look odd, right? It's just a little bit enhanced, a little bit color there. Because the brown color, we mainly use the brown color from the palette. When you add the pink, red colors on top of it, it doesn't look so odd. And then we can add a little bit at the nose shade. It looks a little bit like when it's too cold, you get a sniffy nose. Then sometime after you blow it, you got a little bit of redness on your nose tip. Like that. And then come to the blush. That's use a slightly shrinking color first. And get like a C motion. To extend it down like that. Then next, dip carefully into this two color. And then apply the color like extending this pinkness towards downwards. Like that. Use the same brush. Just quickly do a face contour. It is a very simple makeup. You don't require too much technique, to be honest. And then you can create something very romantic. Let me quickly finish my hair. There are 4 lip products from this gift box. 2 are more glossy stain and the other 2 are matte. 168 and 299. One is more towards the berry petal and the other one is more towards coral maple leaf. Both of them are very nice, very daily wearable. Top one is 188 and second one is 233. 233 is about a medium pigmentation, so can't cover your lip color entirely, but 188 can. It's way much higher pigment and both of them have tint underneath. And today I'm going to use this too. Use 188 just as a base. I really like the applicator. It's so easy to maneuver and manage. Just a thin layer. It's very, very lightweight. It's like mousse texture. It's actually hydrating. And then top up with 299. See? And just to grab the lovely bling color. Just a little bit. This is a Christmassy Chinese New Year Valentine's romantic occasion suitable. Personally, I feel this Valentine's gift box is very good value for money. Not only about the price line is really good, as well as the actual product included. There are iconic items from Perfect Diary. If you like to try a little bit of cute and girly makeup, especially if you like more red, pink based eyeshadows, considering this on your wish list or send hashtags to your partners. Hope you also liked today's video. If you do click the like button and most importantly to subscribe my channel down here, and I will see you on my next one.